no idea whether this is going to work, but this is trying to show you what we are up against in terms of our body and its stability at all times. And it's, as we normally aim to be, really simplistic in engineering terms. So here are feet, legs, a pelvis and spinal bones. This is not exactly the number of bones that you've got. And then a head on the top, okay? And that basically is what we've got in our structure. And we could look at, are we a mass of soft tissue with bones floating in that mass, giving it stability and structure, whereas, say, an invertebrate, such as a snail or a slug, doesn't have that bony structure, or are we a set of bones with soft tissue hanging off it? But it doesn't really matter. Physically, we are endeavouring to defy gravity and be upright. And we are, as a result of that, quite unstable. We are predisposed to going out of alignment. And once we have that really clear idea in our head of how we have to manage that and how the guy ropes that run down, and especially when we put our arms out to the sides, or if we carry, say, a load over here, and that increases our upper body weight, so we have to shovel ourselves over, shift ourselves over on our base so that we are still centred. Our upper body is centred over our lower body, which is a big cause of lower back issues, which is why you get told on manual handling, bend your knees, pick the item up, move your feet and move round. But fundamentally this kind of tries to describe it a bit, and hopefully it's useful to you. So just be aware that as you're walking along, all the time you are defying gravity, and you should try to stay as upright and symmetrical as possible in your activities. Yes, you can twist this way, yes, you can twist that way and so on, but if you habitually lean one way, if we try and shunt these over, you can see how increasingly, there we go. Hope that was helpful.